Hi everyone, my name is Cheng Heng from 2 PPISMP Science 1. Today, I want to present about the project 2, which is the plot activity. My title is Let Elephant Eat. So, let me start my presentation. The introduction is plot activity is the activity that requires any particular technology to allow the student to lead right into computational learning with computational thinking. The objective in this plot activity is learn how to create the scrap games which is Let Elephant Eat by following the instruction given from video, which is to present the fruit of herbivore animal and contain the computational thinking. This plot activity is related to science, which is the biology. The title is the fruit of herbivore animal. So I want to show you how to make this game, which is the Let Elephant Eat. Step 1, make the character. First, we choose a sprite, and our game is Let Elephant Eat. So I search the elephants to be my character, and then I change the style become the AD, like this. So that's now I choose a backdrop, and I choose the whoops, like this. So I want to make the elephant become very beautiful, and I can play it become when green flag click, and then forever, and then costume, like from room, look, and control wait some 1 second, like this. So that's if we touch the green key, the elephant become it. Okay, so we also can put the like this, say hello for 2 seconds, and when the sprig click, like this. Hello. Okay, now step 2, move the character. So first step, we need to change x by 10, and if then from control, and then we from sensing and key space press, and we change the face to right arrow, and then we put the forever like this, and we click put when green flag click, like this. So when we start, we touch the right arrow key, and the elephant is moved to the right. Okay, now we want the elephant move to the left. So we send this back. So we take the if then from the control, and then sensing, we put the key space press and change the space become the left arrow, and then motions change x by 10, but we change this 10 become the negative 10. Okay, now we test it. So I take the left arrow key, and the elephant is go to the left, and I touch the right arrow key, the elephant is moved to the right. So this code is correct. Step 3, we want to make your foot go to the top and fall down. First, we choose a sprite. I find the apple like this, and I change the size become the 50, become smaller. Okay, like this. So we want to make it go to the top and fall down. So I show you how to make it. So we put when green flag click, and then for error, and then motion change y by -10 because this is the y arrow and then it is the x. So we want to fold down. So this is the negative. We change the 10 become the -5 like this. Then we want to fold down. So if then, and then we operator and pick out the east ones, and then we put the y positions like this, and become negative. Change the 50 become the negative like this. So we after this we go to the random for the motions random positions and set y to 118 like this. So when we start, the apple is fold down like this, and the apple is go to random position and fold down. Then step 4, we want to catch it to make our character to catch it the apple. So how we want to do? First, we need to find the events when green flag click, and then for error, and then if then from control like this, and then touch. We find the sensing and we find touching at mouse pointed like this, and we change it become elephants. Okay, so you want to make this very interesting, you can make a sound like this. Start sound com, and then we sound, and then choose a sound. I love collect, so I find the collect sounds like this. Like this. Okay, so we change the com to become the collect, and then go to respond random positions and set y to 118. So we take it like this. When you pick out the apple, it can make a sound like this. Okay, now step 4, keep score. Then we stop it, and then we want to make a variable, and we type score like this. We have the score like this, and we set my variable to 0, and we change my variable to the score. So if you start, your score is 0, and then if you're touching the elephant, you can get 1 mark. So we need to do this. Change my variable by once like this, and then my variable change to the score, so that the elephant when pick the apple, it can get the 1 marks like this. Okay. Now step 5, make a high score. It also same. It make a variable and type high score. Okay. Like this, we have the high score in this way, and then with elephants, we also events when the green flag click, and then if then, and then with operator which the smaller bigger than like this, and then we find the variable and the score is bigger than high score, then set the high score to become the score, like this. So we stack 6, make a block. First we make a block and type restart. Okay, like this. So we want, when we lose, we want the elephant move in this side. So we find the motion and go to X, -5, 7, and Y is -114. That is when we lose. And then we click my block and restart, put inside this way, like this. So we choose a sprite. We want to make a block. We choose a sprite, and we know that the elephant is herbivorous. It cannot eat the meat. So I find the animal, which the hare, like this. And we change its type, become the 50. Okay. It is same with the apple, with the fold down, like so. Control, when green flag click, and then if dance, and then change forever, put this, and then change Y, become -10, and put this way. Change the 10 become -5, and then if find the operator and reach the smaller dance, and then we change Y positions, and this way is 170. Oh, sorry, -170, like this. Okay, and go to the random place and set Y to 118, like this. We can take it like this. So we make it, we cannot touch it, which if we start it and we lose the game. So how we do? What we do? So first we text the events and set a score from variable and pick up and change the high score become the score, like this, and find the control for error, and then pick out the if dance, and then touching the elephant from the session, touch elephants, and then go to the random place, and then set Y to 115. Okay, like this. And then we find stop all. We touch the elephants and we lose the game and everything is stop all, like this. So like this. Okay. Now stack X, make more object. We only have 2 objects, so we want to add all. In an easy way, we can use this, like this duplicate. We have 2 apples, right? And we type the costume and choose a costume, and we know it's herbivore, so we find the fruits like bananas, and we also can duplicate banana and watermelons, like this. So we want to make our game become the challenging. So we can make 2 blocks. So duplicate and change this costume and animal. I put the crabs A like this. So our game is become more challenging when play this game. So let me start. You cannot touch it. If you touch it, you can lose the game like this. So in addition, you can also put the rock. So I want to show you how to make it. First, we find a rock, R-O-C-K, like this rock, and reset it become a 50, and put in this way. Okay, so you pick out the when reflect click, and then control for error, and then go to put it this way, and go to X 240 and Y is negative 147 like this, and then glide. So we want the rock move like this, and the endpoint is this. So we glide 1 second to X, but we want to confirm that this Y must in SEM is which negative 147, and glide this way is 4 to become the rock become the move slowly. Okay, so we test it. The rock is move slowly. Okay, then how to make the elephant jump? So I want to show you how to make the elephant jump. So first we can find the control when press key press, and then we can add some sound, start sound poke, and then repeat tens, and then change Y by tens, and then we can duplicate and two things like this, and then we change become the negative tens, so that we can jump and attack the crab and lose the game. So I want to show you this game. Let's play. Jump like this. This is my presentation. Thank you. Start the block, I lose the game and everything is stopped. This great game is contain 5 computational thinking, which is decomposition, pattern recognition, abstractions, algorithm, and evaluations. Now I want to present the decomposition. The definition of decomposition is process of breaking down a large problem into smaller sub-problems of detail in more manageable for understanding. This game of complex problems is make the code to different objects of the fruits to present the fruits of the object. We can divide to smaller parts. We divide the fruit to prevent the sub-readable fruits, which is the apple, banana, and watermelon, and non-readable fruits, hair and crab of the elephants. Pattern recognitions. The definition is look for commonality and trends within the questions. Similarity in the fruit is all fruits fall down with the same code. Like this, we can duplicate all of these codes to every fruit to let them go to the top and fall down. The attractions. Ignore certain pieces, detail and concentrate just on the most detail. The major core of this game, let elephant is to show the fruits of the elephants. Hence, the other part of the fruits is ignored, such as speed of fruits and set of fruits. Now I want to present about the algorithms. The definition is create a thorough set of instructions that explain how to tackle the difficult in detail. First, now make a character. Click the button, choose the sprite, and choose and pick up the elephants. And then let elephant become more interesting. We can add this code. This is the example to let elephant become more interesting. Next, move the character. Bring the character can move right and left with the arrow key in the keyboard. We can use this code. This is the example. And then make your fruits go to the top and fall down. Bring the apple go to the top and fall down to ground and keep repeating. We can use this code like this. This is the example to show you how to make it. And then catch it. Bring the apple can catch by the elephant when the folding down. We can use this code, this example to make it. And then keep score. When the elephant catching the apple, the player get 1 mark. We can use this, and then we add this set score to 0. And then we can add this change score by 1. Then make a high score. Make the highest score is recorded by the table of highest score. We can use this. When the score is bigger than the high score, then set high score to score like this. And then make a block to let the game become interesting and more challenging. Choose the hair from choose a sprite and make it go to the top and fall down by following step 3 and become a block. When the elephant touching it, the player lose the game and restart the game. This is the code of hair. This is the code of elephants. And then these elephants. We need use it to make a block. And then make more fruits. This allow our games become more interesting. And then we can we can duplicate the apple which contain the code and change the apple become another fruit. Like I want to banana watermelons. I can change the apple become the banana or watermelons. Like this. This is the addition. We can put the rock and let the rock keep repeating to move from right to left. When touching the elephants, the player loses the game. We can use this code. This code for rock and this code also for rock. And then bring the elephant jump to avoid touching the rock. We can use this code to let elephant jump. This is my presentation. Thank you.